Hello everyone, this is Day Trader Matt with businesswithtrading.com doing a market recap for Thursday the 20th of October, and today we had 4 trades, all of them winners. Maximum profit potential we had is 19 3/4 points or 79 ticks. Actual trades, entries, exits made inside the room, 23.5 points or 94 ticks. You see we opened basically where we closed at yesterday, so not too big of a thing. Early this morning, probably 8:30, 9 o'clock, that's when the market sold back down and creating a zero gap. So that's basically what that was, and the market pretty much went sideways and then just dropped off a cliff. Our first trade, we took a short off the open up here, and we were able to ride that down a little bit. We got short again up here, rode that down, and then the market did come up, and we watched it here. It did come back up a second time, and we got short around here, and we were able to ride that down, took a little profit, and then we rode it all the way down and exited our last bit over here. Watched the market jump around a little bit, and then we got long again over here and rolled that up for a little bit, took some profit, and then that was our day. So not too bad at all. 23.5 points. You're looking at $50 a point. Say 20 points, that's $1,000 right there. 3.5 points, more than enough to pay for commission. Actually, half a point is a little more than enough. So it is what it is, but it's definitely not a bad day at all. I'd like to encourage everyone to stop by, check out the website. It's www.businesswithtrading.com. Every day we focus on the S&P 500 futures market, and it's a lot of fun for me. I'm very passionate about trading, and this is my favorite market, so that's why I decided to focus on it for the trading room. I think it's very easy to learn, very fun to trade, and yeah, it can be frustrating at times, but the times when it's not frustrating, I think makes up for the time when it is. Everyone has a different opinion, but it's my favorite. So but anyway, I do an analysis before the market. As the market is trading, I show my charts, talk about what I'm looking at, and obviously call all my entries and exits, and just try and have a good time. After 12 o'clock, when we close the room, I go over an analysis for what I'm looking at for the rest of the day, and going into the next day, and all of that. So it's definitely pretty cool, and I do have a lot of fun with it. People in the room are pretty cool, and they share the same passion that I do. The people taking my trading courses right now are passionate, and it's just a lot of fun to be able to talk to people that they like the same thing you like. They want to be a trader, either a trader or a better trader than they are, depending on their situation, and it's a lot of fun. I'm not the best trader in the world. I don't know everything, but I know enough to be where I'm at today. So I guess it is what it is. No one's gonna know everything, but that's another subject for another time. But anyway, I encourage you to check out the website. Upper right hand corner, I do have a contact form if you have any questions, comments, feedback. Love to hear it. Don't hesitate to shoot anything out. If you enjoy this video, please click the Twitter, Facebook, and like buttons. Appreciate that in a big way. Have an awesome night, and I'll see you in the morning. Thanks.